Hello, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Today, our topic is the nuclear fission. As we discussed it in previous class, nuclear fusion. The nuclear fission, the word means to split up into two or more parts. So, the process in which the heavy nucleus of a radioactive atom, such as uranium, plutonium, or thorium, which are radioactive elements, these get split up into smaller nuclei. यानी break होते हैं. They get split up into smaller nuclei when bombarded with low energy of neutrons. This process is called nuclear fission. In other words, we can say that when a heavy nucleus of a radioactive atom is bombarded by a neutron, it gets split into smaller nuclei and produce a tremendous amount of energy. Such a process is called nuclear fission. There is small loss of mass in the nuclear fission process, which appears as a tremendous amount of energy. Dear students, when uranium, if we take the example of uranium-235 atoms are bombarded with a slow-moving neutrons, the heavy uranium nucleus breaks up to produce two medium-weight atoms like barium-139 and krypton-94 with the emission of 3 neutrons. During this, a tremendous amount of energy is produced. During this fission of uranium, this energy is also used to generate the electricity. Here is reaction before you. When uranium-92-235 is bombarded by a neutron and fission takes place, we get barium-56 139 of medium weight atom and krypton 36 94 medium weight atoms and 3 neutrons, also a tremendous amount of energy. And this nuclear reaction takes place in a nuclear plant, a nuclear power plant in which the heat required to make steam and turn turbines, rather to drive generators for making electricity, obtained by this nuclear reaction. This is called a nuclear plant, where the nuclear energy is produced. There are 6 nuclear plants in our country at present. These nuclear plants are located at Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kaprapur in Gujarat, and Kagya in Karnataka. At present, only 3% of the total electrical power produced in India is obtained from these nuclear power plants. And you will please note also that in some of the industrialized countries like France, Germany, and Japan, etc., more than 30% of their total electric power comes from the nuclear power plants. Then there is nuclear bomb. It is a highly destructive bomb which is based on nuclear fission reaction of uranium 235 or polonium 239. Thank you, beta. Take care. We will meet in next class. And today we have completed this sources of energy lesson, and I will be before you with next class. Okay, assalamu alaikum.